guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mastering Languages, where this process becomes smart, easy, and fun. In this lesson, I will be teaching you how you can introduce yourself in French. Well, as a start, to introduce yourself, you must really know an essential verb. Let's see what is that verb in English by looking at the example down below. Hello, my name is Sam. I am 20 years old. I am from Japan. Nice to meet you. Well, as you can see, the most repeated verb in those phrases is the verb to be. And that's why we have to know what is actually verb to be in French. Well, the verb to be in French is le verbe être. Je suis means I am. And that's what we are going to use to introduce ourselves. Let's try to introduce ourselves in French. Salut, je suis Sam. Je suis 20 ans. Je suis du Japon. Enchanté. And to be honest, this form is not really correct. Well, the true form for introducing yourself in French is Salut, je suis Sam, j'ai 20 ans, je viens du Japon, enchanté. And if we want to translate that to English, we will find that it's totally wrong. Hello, I am Sam, I have 20 years old, I come from Japan. Nice to meet you. I have 20 years old is not really correct in English, and that's the real difference. Well, to make things easier for you, I will give you the general form for introducing yourself. The first one, Salut, je suis X, j'ai Y ans, je viens de la, du, Z, enchanté. And we will explain how to use de la, du in another video. The second form is Bonjour, je m'appelle X, j'ai Y ans, je viens de la, du, Z. Enchanté. Well, I will give you some examples on how to use it. Salut, je suis Sam, j'ai 20 ans, je viens du Japon. Enchanté. Bonjour, je m'appelle Sam, j'ai 12 ans, je viens de la France. Enchanté. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jacques, j'ai 11 ans, je viens des États-Unis. Enchanté. Salut, je m'appelle Sam, j'ai 12 ans, je suis français or française. Enchanté. And we use e at the end of français in case the subject is feminine. Well, what if you want to add more details? Let's take a look at those examples. Je suis un étudiant. Je suis un professeur. Je suis un comptable. Je suis un médecin. So all together will become Salut, je suis Sam. J'ai 20 ans. Je viens du Japon. Je suis un étudiant. Enchanté. And here we can notice that the verb to be, je suis, is used a lot. As I promised you, I will leave you this chart till next week so you can memorize it, and I will read it for you. Je, I, suis, être, to be, et, avoir, to have, un, and here we don't pronounce the S, means years, m'appelle, called, me, Japon, Japan, 20, and we don't pronounce neither G nor T, 20 means 20, 12 means 12, 11 means 11, vient du Z, it means come from Z, États-Unis means United States, salut means hi, bonjour means good morning, and can be used as hello, français, française means French used for people or language, enchanté means nice to meet you, étudiant means student, professeur means professor, comptable means accountant. that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you next week in my next video, French Lesson 4.